Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert inbox email to CSV file format and email service? If yes, download the 4 and 6 inbox converter software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Click on Open button and you can see multiple options available to select an account. Click on Add Account option to configure your Gmail account in Software panel. Enter your Gmail credentials like email address and password of the account and click on Add button to log in your account. As you see now, all the emails from the mailbox are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, check the required Gmail folder in the software panel. As you see now, all the emails from the mailbox are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, click the email to view the message in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the email with all the details like subject, signature, and more. The software provides export option to convert Gmail emails into email files, email service, and document files. We are selecting Gmail option. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first one is Create Empty Folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The next is Skip Grayed Outlook Folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your email account. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you disable this option to remove your output data titles to reduce output file size. The next is Append to Default Folder option. This option helps user to save emails into default mail folders, so enable the option if required. Now enter the name of the folder that you want to create in Gmail account containing Gmail data backup folder name text box. In the backup email address, fill the email address of the Gmail account and then enter the password. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of Gmail conversion. You can also see the email count. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button and go to Open Folder. Click on Exported Folder. Click on any converted folder and you can see the converted emails. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.